What's up, y'all? This is 129 coming to you with another video. As you know, today is Media Day at the Super Bowl. And John Elway, NFL Network was interviewing John Elway, and John Elway said that this would be big for him, as an NFL executive over the Broncos to win another championship. And as you know, uh, John Elway, he played for the Broncos, won two back-to-back Super Bowls with them, and then he retired. And so, if Peyton Manning and the Broncos can pull off this win, win a Super Bowl, he said this will be a big win for him as an executive, winning another championship. He said he came back to Denver to win championships. He said that's all he came back for to do is win championship. He want to win championship, while he rest of the time while he there. So, and I mean, yeah. Hey, my mother, she was a John Elway fan. My grandmother was too. So hey, but I never was a Denver Bronco fan. Never could stand them. But my grandmother and mother was, but I wasn't. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that. I'm gonna leave the article in the in the description box, so y'all can check that out if you want. Yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know what John Elway said this would be big for him, and then if you read on in the article, Peyton Manning said players, been thinking he was gonna retire, been asking them getting their jerseys signed by him, thinking he gonna retire if he win the Super Bowl. So but I'll tell you what Peyton Manning said. Peyton Manning said John Elway would still be playing if if it wasn't for he physically couldn't play no more. If Peyton Manning win this title Sunday night, win the Super Bowl 48, Peyton Manning not gonna run off into the sunset and retire like John Elway and Ray Lewis last year. Peyton Manning is gonna play another year or two at least, another year at least. But anyway, I'm gonna leave the article in the comment section, and y'all check it out. This your boy 29. I'm out.